Hey guys, what is up? Today's video will show you how to create Google Sites affiliate marketing website. Are you looking to create a Google Site affiliate marketing website? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do today is show you a step-by-step guide on how to create a Google Sites affiliate marketing website. So step one is sign in to Google Sites. To begin creating your Google Sites affiliate marketing website, log into your Google account and navigate to the Google Sites website. Click Create to start building your new website. Step number two, choose a template. Google Sites offers several templates that you can use as a starting point for your affiliate marketing website. You can choose a template that best fits your niche and target audience, such as a business template or a portfolio template. The templates provide a basic structure for your site, and you can customize them as needed. Step three, customize your site. Once you have selected a template, you can customize it to match your branding and content. You can add text, images, and videos to your site, and use the site editor to adjust fonts, colors, and other design elements. It's important to create a professional-looking site that is easy to navigate and visually appealing to your target audience. Step 4. Choose your affiliate products and services. The success of your affiliate marketing website will depend on the products and services you choose to promote. Research and select the affiliate products and services that you want to promote on your website. Make sure that the products and services are relevant to your niche and target audience. Choose products and services that you believe in and you would use. Step 5. Join affiliate programs. Once you have chosen your affiliate products and services, you need to join their affiliate programs. Most affiliate programs are free to join, but some may require an application and approval process. It's important to read the terms and conditions of each affiliate program carefully and ensure that you understand the commission structure, payment terms, and other important details. Step 6. Create content. To promote your affiliate products and services, you need to create high-quality content and provide value to your audience. This can include blog posts, product reviews, how-to guides, and more. Make sure that your content is well-written, engaging, and optimized for search engine optimization. Use keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for and provide useful information that they will find valuable. Step 7. Add affiliate links. Once you have created your content, you can add affiliate links to it. Affiliate links are unique URLs that contain your affiliate ID. When a user clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's important to disclose to your audience that you are using affiliate links, and to provide them with honest and unbiased information about the products and services you are promoting. Step 8. Drive traffic to your site. To generate affiliate sales, you need to drive traffic to your website. There are many ways to do this, including social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, and other digital marketing strategies. Use the channels that are most effective for your niche and target audiences, and create a consistent marketing plan that promotes your website and content. Step number 9, track your results. To measure the success of your affiliate marketing efforts, you need to track your results. Use Google Analytics or other tracking tools to monitor your traffic, conversion rates, and earnings. This will help you identify which content and marketing strategies are most effective and allow you to make a data-driven decision about how to improve your site and increase your revenue. And the last step, step number 10, continuously improve. Finally, to maximize your affiliate marketing revenue, you need to continuously improve your website and content. Analyze your results and make changes to your site and marketing strategies as needed to improve your performances and increase your earnings. Stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in affiliate marketing, and be willing to experiment with new approaches to find what works best for you. And that's it. That's the video. Hope this step-by-step guide helps. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.